Hi guys, let's make some plantain chips. First of all, I'll be using some plantain, some paprika, curry powder, salt, and some lime. Let's get started. I'm gonna go with the hot one first. So this and this. So it has to be really tiny. While this is being put on a plate, you just have to make sure you use a very clean sheet to wipe it off because you don't want it to be sticky. I'm gonna put my salt, a little bit of salt. Put a little bit of paprika. Just because I wanted to have that pepperish kind of crunchy vibes, I'm gonna put my lime, just a little bit on it. I'm gonna put this at the side while I continue with the other. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna flip the sides and I put it again for 4 minutes. So guys, now let's fry our chips plantain. This is how it looks like. It is super tasty. You can make this in just 10 minutes. Guys, this tastes so good. This is my favorite, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.